I don't need a mic to say fuck.
There you go, Miss Tommy. West Side.
What I'm gonna do without you, I guess you must be wondering the same too. So we go on together, living a life. Because neither one of us wants to be the first to say goodbye. Every time I find the nerve, every time I find the nerve to say I'm leaving. Oh, memories, those old memories, get in my way. Oh, Lord knows it's only me. Lord, He knows it's only me. I'm deceiving. When it comes to saying goodbye, that's the simple words that I just cannot say. There can't be no way, there can't be no way to have a happy ending. No, no. So we'll go on hurting and pretending, and convincing ourselves to give it just one more try. Because neither one of us wants to be the first to say neither one of us wants to be the first to say. Neither one of us wants to be the first to say farewell, my love, goodbye.
All right. Very good.
Come on, Regina, we know you got it.
Come on.
Thank you.
I told you she didn't say it.
Girl.